Most retirees don't have a money problem. They have a trapped wealth problem. Let me say that again. You are not broke, you're just sitting on money that no one ever taught you how to unlock. Right now, millions of Americans are living inside homes worth $300,000, $500,000, even $1 million. Yet they're still worried about grocery bills, medical expenses, and rising property taxes. Meanwhile, Wall Street keeps telling you to just keep investing. The government keeps telling you Social Security will help, and your bank keeps offering you savings rates that lose to inflation. But here's the truth you were never told. Your home can pay you, without selling it, without leaving it, and without giving up ownership. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. So take a breath. You've worked too hard to feel financially squeezed in retirement. This is your chapter, and your home is about to become your partner in cash flow. Stay with me. Let's be honest for a moment. You didn't spend 30 or 40 years working, raising a family, paying taxes, paying off a mortgage, just to feel like your money is running away from you in retirement. You didn't sacrifice vacations, skip dinners out, work overtime, build a life, just to live on edge every month wondering if your savings will last. You earned stability, you earned comfort, you earned the right to breathe. And if the market crashes tomorrow, if inflation keeps rising, if medical bills show up, your home should be your safety, not a silent brick sitting there doing nothing. So today, we fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your home equity into monthly income, how to do it without selling, how to keep control of your house, how to protect yourself from bad deals, and which homeowners should not use certain methods. And here's the best part. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be young. You don't need a high credit score. You just need to know the right strategy. And I'm about to hand it to you. Think about your home differently. It's not just shelter. It's not just history and family memories. It's not just where your heart lives. It is a financial engine. For decades, you paid into it. Now, in retirement, it should pay you back. That is smart retirement planning. That is how wealthy families treat real estate. And today, you get to think like the wealthy. Strategy 1. HELOC for smart income planning. Let's start here. A home equity line of credit, HELOC, can be used as a cash flow tool, not debt. The wealthy don't use HELOCs to buy cars or vacations. They use them to create financial flexibility. For example, you can pull from a HELOC as needed and use it to support retirement income gaps, emergencies, or short-term opportunities. Imagine having a backup income faucet. You turn it on only when you need it. You're not trapped by surprise expenses anymore. Key mindset. Don't borrow to spend. Borrow to stabilize and protect. Strategy 2. Reverse mortgage done right. I know, people hear reverse mortgage and shut down. But here's the truth. Modern reverse mortgages are not what they used to be. If done correctly, a reverse mortgage can pay off your existing mortgage, eliminate monthly payments, send you monthly money, keep the home in your name, provide tax-free funds, ensure you stay in your home for life. This is how many retirees free up $1,000 to $2,500 a month in extra breathing room. Not debt, relief, not stress, stability. Strategy 3. Equity sharing programs. Now this one is powerful for some homeowners. Companies exist that invest in your home without monthly payments. They give you cash today in exchange for a share of future appreciation. No payment until you sell or refinance, or the agreement ends. This strategy works best if you plan to stay long term. You want cash now. You don't want loan payments. You don't want to sell. It's a tool, not for everyone, but life-changing for many. Strategy 4. House-based cash flow streams. Maybe you don't want loans. You want income. Great. Use your property. Rent a basement. Turn your garage into a rental studio. Build a backyard. Offer storage space. Rent out parking. Host travelers, nurses, or remote workers. Senior roommate partnership for companionship and income. Your home isn't just a place to live. It is a cash flow platform. Strategy 5. Smart downsizing plus renting your home. Many retirees overlook this. Rent out the home you already own, move to a smaller place, or move to a lower-cost retirement area, and keep the rental income. You're not shrinking your life, you're expanding your financial security. That's strategy, that's freedom, that's stepping into retirement with power. Listen, you're not using your house. You are activating your life savings. You paid into your home for 20, 30, maybe 40 years. Now it's time for it to pay you. Not because you're desperate, but because you're strategic. The world has changed, retirement has changed, money has changed, the old advice doesn't work anymore. You need tools, you need options, you need control, and now you have them. Imagine waking up knowing your bills are handled, your retirement is funded, your home is working for you, your life is supported, not stressed. You earned peace, you earned comfort, you earned dignity, and you are claiming it intelligently. This is your time. Now, if this opened your eyes, if a bit of hope just returned to your chest, if you finally see your future with more confidence than fear, then don't stop here. Tap subscribe, because every day we help you build retirement security and peace. And comment the word equity below if you want the step-by-step homeowner retirement guide. You are not running out of money. You are stepping into knowledge. You have assets, you have options, you have power, and now, you're learning how to use it.